Alright guys, another what sold video coming at you today. Today I have 12 items going out and I already packaged up one of them and I'll show you that one first. Oh, and a side note, everything I'm showing you today, the buyer paid for shipping, so I'm just gonna show you how much they paid for the actual item. Alright guys, I packaged this up a little bit early because it took a while, and this is actually a ergonomic mat that people can stand on for stand-up desks, and that sold for $50. Next we have those shoes that I showed you guys a couple videos ago. These are Belgian shoes, and these sold for $120. And then we have these shoes. These are sheepskin Johnson & Murphy shoes, and they sold for $20 plus shipping. Up next is we have a sword that is used for the Nintendo Wii. It's like a sword attachment, and this was just something that I had extra from a Wii bundle that I had sitting in my store for a while, so I'm happy to see it go for $6.99 plus shipping. Alright, up next I have this vintage Wilson glove, and surprisingly this sold for $40 plus shipping, so definitely look out for these old gloves. Alright, and then I sold this Fallen footwear hat again. Last time I sold it for $18. I sold it for $18 again. Here we have these are military glove inserts that you put inside your gloves. I think they're made out of wool, and somebody ordered them for their son that's in basic training. So those sold for $9.97. Up next is we have that lot of 4 Patagonia t-shirts, and those sold for $40 plus shipping. This next item is a Wrangler Pearl Snap shirt. It's something that I bought at a local store that sells stuff for like 50 cents. So I thought I would give it a try and sell it for about $20. It didn't work out, so I put it on an auction for $7.99, and I ended up just getting $7.99 plus shipping, so still made money off of it. Would I buy it again? Probably not. Alright, and then we have this is a leather LL Bean traveler bag, and it's called the Mirror Bag, and that sold for $40 plus shipping. The next item I have here is a quarter zip Woolrich wool sweater, and that sold for $24.97. And lastly, I have a pair of jeans right here. These are the buckle black jeans, and those sold for $29.97. Alright guys, now we gotta get it all packed up in less than 3 minutes for this video. Alright, let's go.